And this brings us into the magical world of mobile. It still absolutely astounds me that I'll be talking to a prospect, or worse, I'm talking to a customer and I'm like, well, I'll pull up my phone and I'll say, this is where I enter my timesheet. And they're like, you do that on your phone? I'm like, yeah. And if I want to check on-hand inventory, I want to approve a vendor invoice, I can do it on my phone. I can do it sitting on the beach in Jamaica. And I'm like, wow. So mobile workspaces are real. They are here. The list that Microsoft D365 has right now is short but growing, because we no longer want to be tethered to our physical workspace. We no longer do stay tethered to our physical workspace. So some different views. The mobile apps can be configured, they can be personalized, they can be modified for you, yourself, your team, people coming in and out. On the left-hand side one here, I have a timesheet. This is what we use happily here. So pleased to report I worked 10 hours last week. Woohoo! The next is a workspace going over where I've just pulled a couple of the things. Vendor collaboration. I want to go and see what my vendors confirmed, or send out an RFQ. What's happening with sales orders? What inventory do I have on hand? Maybe I want to do some costing. So looking at that from a handheld device, terminal, tablet, phone. The middle third screen over is talking about some of that inventory management, some of the work order management, being able to do a report as finished from a handheld device, that somebody has a tablet, and as the work's coming past them, they can put that adjustment in. RMA coming in the door from a customer because, that one time we made inventory that wasn't absolutely perfect. The guy is out there and working on whatever this defective piece of equipment or material or object is, and they could be inputting that into D365. They could also have some kind of a note coming in that they're tracking, well, this thing was scratched and the box was damaged and stuff like that. And then the last one is part of this cost object, looking at actual versus budgets. So on the go, being able to analyze what's happening in the real world inside my business using technology.